This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes.
Hello everyone and welcome to this video, where in this video of Adobe Premiere Pro, I'll be showing you how to basically import your file and all the importing basics you need to know about Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so let's begin. So now the first thing you need to do while learning about importing basics is that we import all our files from the project panel. Okay, and we can also import it from our media browser as well. Then we can just go over here and select the file that we need. Okay, for example, this, we can click and drag it from our media browser or anywhere from our computer. Okay, so this is one way to import your files from our media browser very easily. Okay, and if you don't want to do that, if you want to import a media from our basic project panel, you can do that too. But notice something: after I imported the file from our media browser to the source panel, we can just go back to the project panel, click and drag it to our import to start media. Okay, now over here we can also basically double click, and here you'll see that we have a folder pop-up menu where it's asking me what folder or what file I want to import. For now, let's just import these files over here. Okay, let's say this file. Say I take this one, this one, and that's it. Now if I click on open, you'll notice that all of my files are available over here. Okay, and they're ready to go. All right, so this is basically how to import in the easiest way possible, either by the media browser or going to the project panel, double clicking on it, and then selecting what you need. Okay, then just like before, I told you about the ways you can see your view. Here we have the list view. If I go to the icon view, you'll notice that this is what it looks like. We can also see the preview of what the video might be like, or what our photo is, or over here, as you can see, this is what the video preview is, and here you can see this is what it looks like. Okay, so this will display it in the icon view. Now if I select the freeform view, it gives us more freedom and we can see our files more easily, as you can see. All right, okay, now that we're done, let's go back to the list view. Okay, now one thing you need to know about this part is, like, you can go to the project panel over here and then just type in the name of the folder you just imported also. For example, flowers. Now you can see that the flowers.jpg is over here. Okay, let's cut it out and then you will see it's gone. Okay, so this is how you search for the files that you've imported. You can also click on this new bin option to create a new folder over here, to select all of your folders, to select all of your media over here and put it there. Okay, so afterwards, there's another way you can also import a file. Just right click, then select import. That's the same thing. We can also go over here on file and then select import. Okay, and here you will see that the shortcut for import is basically Ctrl+I. Okay, and over here you can go and import recent files over here. Now you can see that this is what your recent files will look like. For me, these are the folders I have been using recently. Okay, so that is how you basically import a file. And afterwards, when you see that you've imported a file, you'll notice that we have multiple information over here, and here you can see that we have a lot of them. Now, most of them you might not need. So how do we get rid of this clutter of information that you do not need? You can just right click on this and select Media Display. Okay, after selecting Media Display, Adobe Premiere Pro will tell you what you want to basically add or remove. Okay, now if I select this over here, you will see that these are the things that I have. All right, select all of them, it will take all of them. If I don't select it, it will just that. If I select add a property, it will basically create a new metadata for me. Okay, let's click on cancel, right? So if I press on OK after that, you'll notice that I only have the name over here. Okay, now right click, go back to meta display, and this time let's go in and click on the label, media type, frame rate. I don't need the media start end, I need the media duration, and then also need audio duration, then video info, audio info, description, and that's about it. I only need this much, so I'll press it OK. And afterwards, you will see that if I import a video, or even if I click and drag from our source panel over here, these are the only information that will be shown to me. And here you can see that this is what it is. Okay, you can see the frame rate, media type, media duration, audio duration, video info, and audio info. Okay, so that is all for this video. I hope you've understood how to basically import your videos or audios from a file or folder to Adobe Premiere Pro. So thank you for watching this lesson, and I'll see you in the next video.